Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites: internet, a reliable router, and your Wi-Fi password. Next, inventory devices you plan to add so you stay focused. Lights, thermostat, locks, sensors are typical. Then pick a hub or primary app that supports those brands. This simplifies automation and avoids later rework. Once done, create accounts, enable two-factor authentication, and place the hub near the router. This first batch gets your network and organization right. It prevents headaches as you expand. Now you install and integrate devices sequentially. Power, reset to pairing mode, and add them into the hub or app. You should name each device clearly and assign it to a room so voice control and automations work predictably. Once devices are visible, group similar items, like living room lights, and create basic scenes or automations that reflect daily routines. Make sure to test each action immediately. If something fails, recheck network, device firmware, and whether the device uses 4 GHz versus 5 GHz. Finish by refining automations and schedules, testing routines during day and night to catch timing issues. You should update firmware, enforce strong passwords, and backup configurations so recovery is quick. Verify voice assistance and remote access. Make sure permissions are minimal. If something goes wrong, isolate the failing device, reboot the hub, and check signal strength and Wi-Fi channel congestion. If necessary, move devices or add a mesh node. This final sweep ensures reliability and secures your smart home for daily use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.